Hi, welcome to my channel System Web Tech. In this video, we will learn having clause operator. So how we can use it? This is a table EPS employee performance score. We made the table EPS, name is EPS, who's having the columns ID, name, leave, score. So let's see the use of having clause. Here we will type select star from EPS and we will delete where, removing the where, and we want to see having who's having score is less than 9, score performance score is less than 9, and we will click, let's select this query, copy, and we will click go. So it shows me the those IDs and those employees who's having the score less than 9. So these are the two employees who's having the performance score is less than 7. Now I want to know whose whose score is less than 7 and whose leaves are more than 0, right? So we can also use the logical operator in having clause. Let's paste it, score and leaves, right? Tab leaves is uh, score less than 0 and leaves is greater than 0, right? Now we'll click go, and this is the statement. This is the employee who's having score less than 9 performance score and leaves are more than 0. This is a uh, so this is done by the we done by having clause. So this is about the having clause video. So thanks for, hope you like it. Thanks for watching this video. Must comment in a comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.